So here is the Power Craze Drifter, and Power Craze never disappoints. You always get a pretty good RC for a good price. So this is everything you'll find in the box. We get an instruction manual, a QR code, a USB charger, which plugs right there. We get 3 AA batteries for the controller. You get a set of cones, set up a little drift course if you want. We get a little wheel nut wrench. If we want to change from the tires that it comes with to these performance tires is what they call them. I don't know the difference other than they do feel a little bit softer, so maybe they offer a little bit more grip, but the tires that are on it are rubber as well. I don't know how well this is gonna drift. I do love the look. It has that infraction look. So let's check out the proportional steering. Not bad, not bad. And then the throttle. Ooh, that motor's kind of loud. But it does have 3 speeds. That's the first. Second. That's the third. Oh, look at the LEDs. You can tell what rate you're in by the brightness of the LEDs. Watch, when I go into the first rate, they get dimmer. And then the second rate, they get a little bit brighter. And then the third rate, they get really bright. That third rate seems fast, but on the box here it says 18 miles per hour. So I think we'll be able to fit a GPS right in here, and we'll do a little speed run on this just to see how true their 18 mile per hour speed claim is. Oh no, look, we have tail lights, which is cool. And then when you hit the brakes or go in reverse, they light up. But look, we got turn signals. Turn signals are so annoying on RC cars. I don't know why they keep putting turn signals on RC cars. Just give us brake lights, that's it. We don't need anything more. So first thing I want to check is the speed. We got the GPS jammed in between the little roll bar there. There's no way this does 18 miles an hour. I mean, it is pretty quick. All right, let's check that. 14, we got 14 miles per hour, and I even did go downhill a little bit. So it does not go 18 miles an hour. Just to make sure, and I was in the third rate. It does go pretty good for a little truck. Yeah, 14 miles per hour. But let's take it inside now and see if we can drift it on a smooth floor. Okay, so it does drift with these tires. You just need a really smooth floor. I wasn't so sure how good these tires would slide, seeing that it had tread and it wasn't like a plastic drift tire like you usually see. But it does slide around pretty good. Oh, supposed to go around the cones, not through them. Yeah, this is pretty fun. Oh, get out of the way. I think if the object of the game was to hit the cones, I'd probably miss them. I hit every cone. Oh no, wait, I missed that one. See, when I tried to hit the cones, there we go. When I try to hit the cones, I can't. And when I try and go around the cones, I hit the cones. See, I tried to go around that one. Am I in the third rate? No, I wasn't even in the third rate. Whoa. The third rate definitely makes it easier to slide. Okay. So we know it slides with these tires. Now let's put the performance tires on and see if we just get grip out of them, because they are a softer rubber. The performance tires don't really change anything. It still drifts pretty good. I don't notice any more grip with them. Oh. This little truck is pretty quick though. So this is a pretty cool little truck. I turned the lights off so that way you can see the LEDs a little bit better. And they are bright. That's in the third rate, so they are the brightest right now. But that'll do it for the Power Craze Drifter Plus. Not too bad for being in the $45 range. I'd pick up one of these. I'll leave a link to this down in the description below if you want to grab one of these. But that'll do it for this video, and thanks for checking it out. Click the subscribe button if you didn't already, so that way you can join me next time I post a video.